Just there. Water is dry-ish. Drier than you're going to be, that's for sure.
Did you ever see that video where I tried to harass Ray?
Will do. Huh?
See that video where I tried to harass Ray by touching his butt?
Otherwise, everything.
Like how is...
Like this.
Shut up, man.
They're not even that wet.
No, what?
They're not even that wet.
That's because they were on a bad one. It's going to stay in my shorts. This water's going to stay in my shorts. My pee stays in, then the water's not bad.
But it's ammonia. Go ahead. Wait, you should get this one.
No, I put mine in my backpack already.
Ah!
How was it?
Oh, so much.
Yeah.
Shots of wet. Did you get wet?
Did you pee on your
It looked pretty dry. Like, dude, did you get wet on this
It looked fairly dry.
I'm trying to stay as dry as possible. Oh, did you go on Rip Roaring Rapids at Great America?
You've been to Great America?
The last time I went was 6th grade.
Oh my god.
Like 10 years ago. I did? No, not even like 10 years ago, like 12 years ago.
I
When
know.
we were 14 or like freshman in high school.
No, wait. 6 plus 4. That's 10. 11 years ago. Holy crap, I'm old.
Okay, you just turned 20. You guys just turning 24 in like 2 months.
This is turning 21.
Like that though.
And we have a vacation club. And they have one in Vegas.
No, we're gonna get a Grand Villa in Vegas. You won't know.
Get the Grand Villa. I'm telling
Your parents aren't gonna let you use
I'm gonna
those
take all
points,
those
are they?
Yeah, Grand Villa for one day is like our entire point total.
Dude, have you seen Adventures by Disney
Go
once?
to Tokyo.
It's a heck of much. Like 800 per person.
What? Yeah. Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
What's that turn on? I suppose we have time.
Oh yeah.
Waterproof backpack.
Same thing. Oh yeah.
Let's just hope they keep their promise.
Which one are we on?
This one right here.
Right there. Go, 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 go.
The waterproof storage.
We're done, guys. Oh, it's even waterproof.
They said it's dry. Oh, my bad. Mark has to sit by himself.
Ray, I thought you didn't need to put your bag in there.
Well, I don't need to. Oh, here, switch.
Oh, okay.
Okay, fast seatbelts quickly, boyfriend. Fast seatbelts
Oh,
quickly.
Oh wait, I forgot my phone. Here. Can you put hand there?
My butt is wet. Oh. Okay. Take my shirt off. That's gonna stay there.
Are you really?
Oh, thank you.
We're just gonna hold waterproof backpack. Water. My butt's wet.
What happened?
Alright, everybody say hi. You're all on video. Yeah.
Hi! I feel like this.
You wanna put it in YouTube?
Huh?
You wanna put it in YouTube?
Oh yeah. It's going on YouTube.
What name?
I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna find it on YouTube.
It's kind of complicated. I'll write it down.
Good. Alright, guys, they're all set.
I can't talk, so I'll be like, you're gonna be like Will
Alright, guys,
Ferrell.
have fun.
Will do.
Like Will Ferrell. have to do a voiceover. When we get back, we'll have to do a voiceover.
Monotone voiceover. Just say some words.
Head, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And be sure to
Have to remember what it said. That's the video.
Oh.
No. Too much.
Make it heavier.
Oh no!
Oh no, what? Mark, we're not even doing anything yet.
Oh no, look at the cannons going up over there.
Holy. That's a lot of water.
Check, and I'll rate this another time. No pun intended. Sorry,
Get away
wrap
from
it
me.
now. Yeah.
That's a lot of water. Ah! Oh my goodness.
Hope it doesn't go on me.
Oh, we can't stand Will.
I'm gonna go on Ray. It's gonna go on Ray.
Oh my god, already. Ah! Ah!
We can make
It's gonna go on Ray once.
That's cheating!
Cheater! This is gonna be fun! That's why I regret wearing a white t-shirt.
That's why I'm glad I didn't wear my white tank top.
Well, Mark is not even just to get wet.
I don't regret it.
I know. Ew, then nasty.
Oh my gosh.
I'm scared. No!
You have cannon? I can't see.
I can't. Where are we going?
Dude, no.
Ray's just a bad at this.
Oh no!
No! Ray gets bad at it.
Where's it gonna come out? Uh-oh.
Wait, where's that?
Hey, camera.
Where are the cannons?
I don't know. It's kind of scary. I don't know where
I don't know where
it comes
I'm going.
There he is.
I need to take a bathroom break. Can we do my makeup after this?
from. No waterproof?
What?
Is that a cannon? It's not a cannon.
I don't know.
Right here?
He looks like he's ready.
The drop?
There's a drop.
No, it's not.
Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Ah!
Ray's getting knocked in
All of it. I'm cold.
Ow.
It's cold.
Ow.
I'm cold. I'm cold.
Oh.
Part of this video is
Fine!
There should be another drop.
Wait, water, it doesn't matter. Oh!
Ah!
Oh no! Wait! Oh wait!
Oh, that's not fair. Better not.
Wait, no.
Oh, they are around the corner.
No. Wait, speed
Oh my
now.
god, it's so cold right now.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
No!
Be a good Samaritan.
Look at Ray.
Where's
Wave high.
Where's it?
Wait, bye!
Wave high. Oh, fine.
Oh my god.
It's over here. It's gotta be over here.
Yeah, they have a toy machine.
Oh my god. Ah!
I saw that coming! No, I didn't. No, is this?
We're done.
Oh.
Yeah, but look how soaked I am.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not that soaked.
That again!
Oh.
No!
He's probably like, Grandma, let's go again. A third time?
Yes, round 2?
No, it'd be round 3 for them.
He's kinda tired now.
I'm gonna go again.
Oh, it's not that bad. All right, guys. Oh. Ooh.
Well, I think I need a hairbrush.
Ah, my knee. Oh, I don't. I can. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the exam. It's done.
Yeah. I'll just put my username. Okay, here you go.
Thanks, buddy. Take care.
No problem. Dude, I'm already dry. Right?
My right shoulder. That grandma got a heck of bad.
I know. Ray got it. Ray and I got it kind of bad.
Okay, that wasn't that bad. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. No, not gonna.
Wait, where are those cannons? Oh, there they are. I think it's this one. Oh. It should be this one. Oh. I think it's that one.
Whenever?
Oh. I did! It's not working!
You have to put money in or no?
No.
No, just time it 10.
Here, you do it.
I don't even know the latency on it.
Me too. Okay, I can stop.